Hello guys, in this video I wanted to make a tutorial on how to do the color changes that I did on the previous video. Let's get to it right away. In order to get the color of the rings changed, we need a reference to each of their color and we will do it in the ring script. We will first get the sprite renderer component in order to access its color property. We use getComponent to assign the value in the awake function. Let's move to the ring manager and we will let the script handle the coroutine. Make a coroutine. I will name it color change. Make a variable named cRing, which just stands for current ring, and give it the value current ring. The reason we do this is because we need the value to stay the same even if current ring's value change. We will define a float with a value of 1f. This is the value that we will use to define the color in our calculation. Now we create a for loop, and this loop will make sure that each ring's color is changed. In my video I only use 3 different colors. They are red, green, and blue. We will use the cRing value modulo 3 because we have 3 colors. For example, when current ring is 0, which is the first ring, the result of the if statement is 0 modulo 3, which is 0. The first statement will be true and it will change only the blue color because I set the red and green to 0. It will also return true when current ring value is 3, 6, 9, and so on. The math formula here is to make sure that the most inner ring will have the brightest color and it will get darker outward. We create another if statement to check if the current ring value modulo with 3 would equal to 1. In this case, if current ring is 1, 4, 7, 10, and so on, and it will change the color to green in this case, as I set red and blue to 0. And add an else statement meaning that any modulo value other than 0 or 1 will change the ring's color to red. We also need to add a delay here by using yield return new wait for second 0.05f, as this will delay the change of each ring by 0.05 seconds. If we do not delay it, the change will be in an instant and it won't be as smooth. We will create another function that will be calling this coroutine. Let's also call it once in the start function. Let's go back to the ring script and we will call the function that will call the coroutine when the ball escapes one of the ring. The reason we don't call the coroutine from this script is because we will be set active false on this game object, which would also disable the script, in which will cause the coroutine to stop running. That's just how coroutine works, so that's why we pass the coroutine handling to the ring manager. Let me know if you want to know more about coroutines. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoy watching and making your own version, and thank you for watching.